Greetings, family. Welcome back to the next episode of our MZANSI series. Before we get started, in order to follow along, go to our African Math Toybox game and find the worksheet using the link in the description and pinned comment below. All right, so in today's activity, we're going to get into some subtraction. We see over here to our left that we're going to be taking a group of shapes over here to the left, and the instructions ask us to draw less. So this first one wants us to draw one less than 5 to the left. So what we're going to do to start out is we're going to start out by dragging out what we see over here on the left. So we can count out, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. So we're going to drag out 5 triangles over here to the right. We'll grab 1 and count out aloud if you can. And we'll count out 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Now we need to have one less. So before we draw things out over here in the worksheet, first we need to see what one less looks like. All right. So to do that, we have our little friend over here is going to act as our cup, and he's going to hold all of the pieces that we take away from the group, right? This first one says to count one less. So we're going to take 1 and bring it out and put it over here next to our friend. And now that we've taken 1 away, we can count to see what's remaining. So we can count by saying 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we've counted those out, we can draw it into our worksheet. We have 1. We just draw what we see over here to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. And if you would like, you can also drag over pieces like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. They've already done the second one for us, but we'll still follow along just to get the practice in. Again, we're going to start out by dragging out all of our pieces into the interface. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now it wants us to draw 2 less. So first we're going to count out our 2. We have 1 and 2. And then we're going to drag those over here into our little cup friend. So we drag 1 over, we drag 2 over. All right. So now we should be able to count and see how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3 left over. Okay, let's do one more. Again, we'll set up our play space by bringing in 5 triangles. Okay. And now this puzzle wants us to take away or draw 3 less. Okay. So again, we're going to come over to our bowl friend over here, little bowlie, and we're going to count out 3 and give them to him. Okay. So we'll count out 1, give it to bowlie, 2, and 3. All right. So now our group, what's left over is 3 less than what we had before, because we took 3 away and gave them to Boley over here. Okay, so now we can just count out to see what we have left. We have 1 and 2 left, and then we'll go ahead and draw what we see. So we have 2 triangles left, so we'll draw out 1, 2 triangles, and then we can drag them on top like this. All right. Now I want you to do this last one by yourself. We have 5 triangles and we want to draw out 4 less. So you go ahead and try that at home and let me know what you got in the comments below. All right. Happy learning.